Good morning, this is Ryan Steele here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today I'm walking you through our 2019 Boston Whaler 32 Vantage. This boat has just arrived here at our store, so I'll go through some of the key features and then you can come on down, visit us at 700 South Federal Highway in Pompano Beach and step aboard yourself. Starting at the stern, we do have our twin Mercury 350 Verados. This is a joystick piloting boat. The boat does have the fishing package, so you have your tulip rod holders on the stern, the rocket launchers on top, and then of course it does give you the under gunnel shelf and a raw water washdown. I'm sure if you're looking at this video, you've already looked at the other 320 Vantage models. Both seats, the helm and starboard or helm and port seat, will be electrically actuated vertically, and then you can always move the helm seat fore and aft. The boat is complete with the joystick piloting that gives you autopilot, skyhook. Here are your Mercury DTS controls, auto trim tabs, upgraded Mercury vessel view 7-inch, and a nice size Raymarine. This is the 16-inch. And then of course your vessel view. Some of the other key features on this boat, we do have the cockpit refrigerator. In the Vantage model, the 320 Vantage, you do get this live well right here. The dive door comes right out to the side, folds into place. You get fish boxes on either side. All right, we'll go through, take a look at a couple other of the options. This is the full options page for what we have on this boat. All right, premium upgraded stereo, cockpit cover. The boat is loaded. Come on down. Ask for me, Ryan Steele, here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Thank you.